What you have to do is just simply come over into your search option. I'm going to search for services. Click enter. Sorry for a couple of times, but if I just minimize it and simply just we can do is we can search for Windows Security Services. We will getting it over here. It's called Windows Security Service. You can see the name over here. So make sure that it's running, and what you need to do for right now is click on the right mouse button and then come over into refresh. And when you refresh it, it will be refreshed. So for that reason, we just need to now looking for Security Center. So come on to the Security Center. Over here, you can see it's running. Make sure it's running. You just need to refresh it as well. And be sure you just need to see this running option is running into Security Center. So you just need to make sure about it. And then we just need to look for Windows Update. Here is Windows Update, you can see. So you just simply what you need to do is just simply come over into Start and make sure it's automatic and it's running right now. So make sure it's refreshed. But if it's not running, or if it's not looks like automatic, you can see it's looking automatic over here. But into your services, it might be like not automatic, it will be set into manual. But you just need to make it into click on automatic, delete start, and simply click start over here, services status, then click apply and then click OK. So by this you can simply make it faster. Okay, so then what you need to do just simply right now is start your PC. So this is how you can fix Windows Defender updates problem into your Windows 11. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in another videos. Till then, goodbye.